Hi, my name is Ruby Dandridge, and I'm going to go over a few examples of my educational background. Both assignments I'm going to go through reached institutional outcomes by relational learning, which is transferring knowledge, skills, and behaviors acquired through formal and informal learning, as well as the institutional outcome of information literacy and communication, that utilizes current technology and resources to locate and evaluate information needed to accomplish a goal and communicate the findings in a written format. The first assignment that I'm going to go through is coding for medical charts. This allowed me to abstract information from the medical charts to assign the correct codes in a variety of medical situations. Let me pull this up. As you can see in this assignment, we were given different scenarios to code for. We had to go through the coding process to find the proper codes and make sure that we had the right codes. There are different scenarios from physician to inpatient. And as you can see, different cases had different amounts of codes, depending on what we were coding for. This helped me to learn how to code in real life situations. If we were really coding, I would go through cases, find the correct codes so that it can be billed correctly. The next assignment I did was almost similar. It was for coding accuracy, and we were also abstracting information from medical charts to assign the correct codes also. Pull it up. We had different scenarios in this also, and we had to go through and label how we got these codes to make sure that we are accurately coding. And as you can see, there are different codes and steps to go through. This assignment really helped me to make sure that I was following the coding steps that I needed to get the correct codes. And as you can see in here, not only did we code for physicians and inpatient, we did outpatient surgery and lab services as well. I think both these assignments showed all the skills that I've learned from the coding classes that I have done throughout my time in Brighton Stratton College. Thank you for taking the time to review this video.